Hi, this is John with Johnson RV. We're here in Fife, Washington in our showroom. This is a 2026 Ford Talaro 20U model. It's got the aftermarket wheels and tires, really nice. Got the nice huge Thule awning up there. You've got a little table out here. You can set your induction cooktop out here and cook outside. You plug it in right here. Come on in, we've got a nice big fridge, freezer on the bottom, nice upgraded seats. We've got the bathroom right here. It's a twin bed model that makes into a whole bed. So a lot of people like that, like to have doors open because you've got the screen back here. A lot of counter space in here. Got a little plug-in right there. This has solar on it. It's got generator, lots of storage, so many features on this coach. Give us a call at Johnson RV in Fife and ask for John in sales.